Welcome back, guys. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best tablecloths. For surprise family gatherings and impromptu get-togethers, a lovely tablecloth will both shield your table from spills and showcase your decorating talents without much effort. In this video, we selected the 5 best options that you should get today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th tablecloth on our list is the SUTAVIA lace tablecloth, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. With a center, meticulously patterned jacquard style, this tablecloth features a hollow floral pattern and thick lace trim, making it suitable for weddings, banquets, lobbies, outdoor restaurants, reading nooks, and drinking corners. Not to mention, its lace fabric is embroidered, so you can expect it to be light in weight, easy to fold and carry, and elegant above all. This fabric is also not picky about the weather you can use it in. Want to host a midsummer celebration? Put a vase of yellow and lavender flowers on top of it. Looking for a way to maximize the winter feel? Place Christmas balls and frosted faux antlers. Best of all, the material is formaldehyde-free, so it won't shrink or wrinkle. You can get this tablecloth in the following dimensions: 33 by 33, 43 by 43, 51 by 51, 59 by 82, 59 by 104, and 59 by 120. Just be careful putting sharp objects on top of this surface though, since those can pull the embroidered design. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who love hosting simple and elegant parties and events. The 4th tablecloth on our list is the Cabana Stripe Outdoor Tabletop Collection, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Add a flair to your usual picnics with these colorful tablecloths and table runners by Cabana. Since it is constructed of polyester, you can look forward to its wrinkle-resistant, stain-resistant, and waterproof surface, making cleanup a breeze. Without a doubt, they will look elegant on your patio table year after year. And they will definitely last a long time because they withstand abrasives from the environment. Not to mention, polyester is also machine washable, so you can either simply wipe up a spill or toss it in the wash on a gentle, tumble dry low or low iron cycle. Apart from that, these tablecloths come in round and rectangular sizes, with one side even having a zipper to fit an umbrella. With color options of black, coral, and nautical blue, and size options that range from 60 by 84 to 60 by 120, you will find the perfect match for your agenda. However, if you have a lot of tables to work with and you want to make a uniform motif, you might want to consider that all color options have white stripes, so they might not fit other tablecloths. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who likes having a vintage style gathering. The 3rd tablecloth on our list is the Maison de Hermine Kelim cotton tablecloth, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Boasting 35 patterns ranging from warm snowscapes to Thanksgiving turkeys to flowery sceneries with birds, Maison de Hermine made sure you could switch up your decor depending on the season, the holidays, or simply your mood. With traditional motifs captured with an artist's sense of light, tone, and wonderful detail, each design is beautifully rendered in watercolor. It is made of 100% slub cotton, which is machine washable and dryer safe. If you want a more polished appearance, you can also iron it on low heat for a smooth finish. The brand guarantees that you can use it in a range of settings, from the kitchen to the dining room, for parties, and even in decoration contests. In terms of its size, you can get it from 54 by 54 inches to 70 by 120 inches, with some round options in between. Keep in mind though, compared to some of the other options on the list, this one is a bit less stain resistant. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to someone who likes making dramatic decorations. The 2nd tablecloth on our list is the Solino home linen tablecloth, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. We knew that some of you would want something that looked and felt like natural fibers, so we added this to the list. This 100% linen tablecloth can match any theme and is available in a variety of earthy and soft toned hues to do just that. With 44 color options, it's perfect to create monochromatic mixes for St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Passover, Valentine's Day, Christmas Day, and more holidays. inches. Each batch of linen is distinct and special, much like other fabrics since it is handcrafted. With its distinct beauty, whatever you choose will feel like an heirloom. Solino boasts a variety of size options as well, ranging from 52 by 52 inches to 70 by 144 inches. You can also machine wash it on cold for routine cleaning, but it must be air dried to avoid shrinking. It requires a bit more maintenance when it comes to cleaning, but reviewers have noted that stains are easily gotten rid of in the washer. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to kitchen enthusiasts who like hosting formal meetings and luxurious date nights. The best tablecloth on our list is the TEWENE tablecloth, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Taking pride in being more wrinkle-free and resistant to shrinkage than other materials, TEWENE perfectly combines the firmness of hemp with the comfort of polyester. Apart from that, the tassel-adorned edges, which are finished with sewing, contribute to the elegant and beautiful classic style. Design-wise, the tablecloth is designed using cutting-edge technology and premium dyes, which have a good fixing effect and are less likely to fade over time when used and washed. Speaking of washing though, hand washing is the preferred method of cleanup. You can also machine wash it if that's what you prefer. Just remember to lay it flat to dry or dry it in a dryer right after. If necessary, the linen tablecloths can be ironed to become more moldable and smooth. With proper maintenance, we are confident that you can use it indoors or outdoors, in the kitchen, on patios, at picnics, and even by the beach. In terms of size, you can get it from 55 by 55 inches to 55 by 120 inches. One downside that some users find with this is that it's either too exact or a bit small on their tables, so we recommend sizing up, especially if you want the cloth hanging on the sides. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for cafe and restaurant owners who are looking for a thick tablecloth that looks good with any event. And there you have it, folks, our best tablecloths, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next tablecloth roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.